Arnav, up to you. What are your reflections about GDP in India and what is GDP actually? As Soumya told,
Uh,
GDP is falling.
okay. Hello guys, I'm Arnav, and these are my viewpoints on the GDP fall in India. So GDP or gross domestic product is the value of all the sums of goods and services. It is measured over a specific time frame, like a year or quarter. For example, if you add up all the values of incomes in India for a year, we get the GDP of India. A higher value of GDP doesn't always indicate that everyone is doing great because GDP is not evenly distributed. So, but it gives a good value of indication of the economy of the produce of the year. The economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India faced the largest contraction of GDP value from April to June 2020 at minus 24%. This led to rise in unemployment, stress on supply chains, decrease in government income, collapse in tourism, hospitality industry, reduced customer activity, rise in LPG sales, fall in trade with China. So these were the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic on the GDP of India. So any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. What effect did GDP fall have in India?
The GDP fall in India brought rise in unemployment because as the production reduces, the employment rate also decreases, which means less cash to buy goods, which reduces the production rate, further making it a vicious cycle. Also, the rural economy is affected as 49% of Indian population is in agro-based industries and agricultural industries. So when the rural economy is affected, it does take a major hit on the Indian economy. So these were the major effects of GDP fall
Acha,
in
I do
India.
have a question. Like we have a problem of GDP fall. So what can we do to restore the GDP fall in our country?
So during these circumstances, the government of India can boost the GDP of the country. Only when the government spends the money, more money, either by building roads or bridges or paying salaries or by directly handing out the money. Only then can the economy revive in the short to medium term. So that's
Basically,
how.
ejecting money in the system, right?
Yes, yes, exactly. Yeah,
I have also a question. If some
yeah.
country has faced low GDP value during pandemic, what was the
Mhm.
reason and what were the effective ways?
Okay. So if some country does face the fall in GDP, it directly indicates how well or like how they handled the pandemic. So some countries like the US handled the pandemic really bad and faced the downfall of GDP, though they are like the most biggest economies. Whereas country like South Korea handled the situation very well by initially following all the rules and in the later stage without shutting down the business or issuing stay at home or implementing stricter measures like other countries. So the economy in South Korea wasn't affected that much as the other high income countries like India and America.
Say you got right. US like it was a slap on US face that he's like leading country and he can't handle. Basically, US can handle the whole lockdown thing. They can't even force the public to wear masks. They had like protest. Why do we have to wear masks and shit?
Exactly.
Even
Like
Japan,
they don't admire like
even Japan handled the
Yeah.
situation quite nicely, I would have to say, because Japan was so much prepared for the pandemic. I was surprised looking at the news there was, because they were already following such guidelines, not just because of the pandemic, but before the pandemic, they were, in libraries, they have sanitizing library stations. So not just because of the pandemic, they were, living healthily
Japan is
and
being
more
always
early.
seen facing these kind of pandemics and
Yeah,
like
so they're
natural
always
calamities very
prepared for
severely.
everything, yes.
Yeah.
because they are very
countries
often exposed to an earthquakes and all stuff, right?
Yeah.
countries like Vietnam and Taiwan, they didn't even have like proper corona cases. They had the least corona cases there.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
even which country, I don't remember the name.
Vietnam being the most smallest countries, but having the densest population, they handled it so well. They had only 2 to 4 cases, which were like migrants from other countries.
I was
Oh.
shocked looking at the stats of corona cases in Pakistan. I was not expecting such, like they would be handling. Actually, they handled it really recklessly, but still, I don't know how the corona cases were not that high, and there was a drastic downfall in the corona cases. My father was like, "How come
You
Pakistan is
never
doing
know,
good
they
in
can
some?"
also
No,
suppress
they
the case
can. Yep,
numbers.
yep,
That's what they
yep.
say.
Like maybe they do not have the proper system to like census the cases that they are having, or they may not be exposing it to the global media.
Yeah.
Yeah, that can be a case, but still,
No, look, it would
even
have
if they're
not been too
handling the
severe in
media.
India if we would have not helped Bangladesh.
Like, similar case happened in Kolkata too. Like the CM wasn't, giving the correct count of corona cases here.
Hmm. Yeah.
Mamta Banerjee.
Yes, Mamta Banerjee.
Okay, that's a wrap.
Yeah.
Thank you, Arnav, for the insights on the
Thank you,
pandemic.
Soumya.
Yeah.